I recently got the idea to see if I could get Visula exposed in Python using the PyO3 library. Last time I played around with PyO3, I was very impressed by how easy it was to use, and once again, making a Python wrapper with PyO3 was a lot of fun. So Visula is my experimental visualization library, written in Rust using WebGPU. The goal of the library is to make it easy to create high-performance visualizations from data, and in particular, dynamic visualizations where you can efficiently modify the parameters or data without recomputing all the modifications on the CPU. With Visula, I want to speed up this process by performing the modifications on the GPU instead. Take for instance this parametric function definition. Here I've visualized the function by placing a number of points along the curve and by changing the parameters. Now, if the input value t was a NumPy array and the cosine and sine functions come from the NumPy library, then the output of this function would always have to be recomputed on the CPU for every time we change the parameters a, b, and c. This is no problem if you have a few thousand points. But if you want to update this smoothly in real time for millions of points, it is way more efficient to perform this operation on the GPU. Otherwise, the updates are simply too slow to render as a nice animation. To achieve this in Visula, the above cosine and sine functions are lazily evaluated. Their evaluation is postponed all the way to the shader code, such that I only need to upload the values for t to the GPU once. And the evaluation of the output happens fully on the GPU from there on, and this makes the animation way smoother. By making Visula available as a Python library, I hope it can become more useful for me personally, and others as well, once the library has become a bit more stable. Alright, thanks for watching, and goodbye.